To be a leader of many, you must make sure that you are a big leader of one, which is yourself. One more time, let's go! Get it!
Let's go, go!
You know the goals you have in your business right now.
Why don't we expand our minds to fit all that's possible?
Peak Partnership's gonna make some noise. Let's go!
This is a partnership game, man. It's called Peak Partnership for a reason. It is a partnership game. What are we actually moving forward towards? Sponsors are here. You have individuals who raise capital and are looking for investors.
The true value of these events really is the people that you meet.
I want to talk about the power of multifamily.
Half the battle, y'all, is knowing what the target is.
We were able to close our first deal last January.
You can own properties by providing value.